V-SYS helmet camera installation reference video. The host is small and portable. Helmet bracket accessories. Charging cable. Waterproof cover and plug accessories. User manual. There are two ways to paste. First, stick the mushroom sticker onto the back of the host bracket. Stick another part of the mushroom sticker onto the appropriate position of the helmet. Then paste the helmet bracket in the corresponding position. Place the camera into the bracket. Tighten and secure with screw. Tighten the screw to a position where it will not fall off and use a mobile app to connect the Wi-Fi of the recorder to check if the image needs to be adjusted in angle. Remember to install the memory card. Please note the direction when installing. Please manually press the power button to start the machine when using it for the first time. Connect to Wi-Fi starting with V-SYS using the phone. Enter the password to connect on the user manual. Open the app to view image. Rotate the camera to perform image correction and adjustment. After adjustment, continue to tighten the screw for fixation. Then put on the helmet to view real-time image. To prevent dust and rain, you can install waterproof plug and cover. Double-sided adhesive installation. Tear off the adhesive tape on one side and stick it to the bottom of the bracket. The other side is also torn open and installed in a suitable position on the helmet. Place the camera into the bracket, tighten and secure with screw. Then use the same method to connect to Wi-Fi and open the app to correct the image. The effect after installation. After the recorder detects vibration, it lights up the red light first and then the blue light, then the red and blue indicator lights flash slowly. The recorder will start recording. If no vibration is detected within 7 minutes, the recorder will shut down, and the red and blue indicator lights will flash 3 times. Let's see the effect of the ride. Manually shut down. Long press the power button for 10 seconds. The red-blue indicator lights quickly flash 3 times, and then the recorder shuts down and stops recording. Manual startup operation. Long press the power button for 10 seconds. The red-blue indicator light flashes 3 times, and then the blue indicator light flashes slowly, indicating that Wi-Fi is turned on. The red indicator light flashes slowly, indicating that the recorder starts recording.